Hey, it's your favorite realtor, Jude, and today I wanted to welcome you to 11702 Pointe Circle. We have a very special townhome that we're going to show you. It is minutes away from the sandy beaches of Sanibel, Fort Myers Beach, and Captiva. Come on, let's check it out. Follow me as I show you what makes this home cowabunga. With a living room like this, you'll never miss out on who's late to the party. These sliding pocket doors lead straight to your private backyard. From your living room to the kitchen, this is a view worth fighting for. The kitchen overlooks the dining room straight into the patio. With ample privacy, nothing can get in the way of you having a gnarly time. With the community pier in walking distance, you'll be steps away from a quick getaway. Enjoy all this Riverside community has to offer. Private community beach, 500 feet fishing view pier with a panoramic view of a Floridian sunset overlooking the Caloosahatchee River. The PepperTree Pointe community has a heated pool, tennis courts, and walking trails throughout. A private community boat ramp is available, and boat storage and slips are leased separately.